if x plus y whole square equals to cubic root of 27 and xy equals to 0, we have to find out is this expression correct or not. First, here is a x plus y whole square and here is a cubic root of 27, right? So this case x plus y whole square equals to this cubic root of 27. We can write 27, it means 3 to the power 3, and cubic root, so it will be 1 by 3. Now x plus y whole square, this 3 and 3 out, so here is a 3. We just keep this one. Our first expression, number 1, here is a x square plus y square. We have to prove this one is a 3. How? We can write this one x plus y whole square minus 2xy. X plus y whole square, we already get 3, minus 2 times already given xy equals to 0. So we can say 3 minus 2 equals to what? 2 times 0 is a 0, right? 0. So 3 minus 0 is a 3. So this statement is correct. Next, number 2, here is a x minus y. We have to prove this one is a root 3. How can we prove this one? We have no law against x minus y, but this one we can write x minus y whole square and using square root. So now square root and square out, so we will get x minus y. Next, against x minus y whole square, we can write x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So we already get x plus y whole square equals to 3. So against x plus y whole square, we can write 3 minus 4 times xy is a 0 and square root. So 4 times 0 is a 0, so 3, and it will become a root 3. So we can say second statement also correct. What about statement 3? Here is a x cube plus y cube. Against this one, we can write x plus y whole cube, and then what? Minus 3, and then xy times x plus y. So against x plus y whole cube, we can write, look, in here x plus y whole square equals to 3. Against this one, we can write x plus y equals to root 3 if we make a square root. So here is x plus y, we can write square root 3, and here is a cube minus 3 times xy is a 0 times x plus y is a root 3. Now look, root 3 to the power 3 is a 3 root 3, and this one is a 0. Finally, we get 3 root 3. So in this case, we also can say the third statement, which is x cube plus y cube equals to 3 root 3, is true. So finally, we can say everything is true. So thank you very much for being with me. These kinds of math you will face in the examination hall, so don't neglect these kinds of math. Subscribe my channel and also follow my channel, which is MathJip. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.